an unrelated man allowed to be in the same enclosed backyard as an unrelated woman? Does this reach Yichud? What about if there is a man inside a house with access to a backyard with an unrelated woman there?
So backyard. So let's if it's enclosed, meaning there is a fence. But if it's you have a neighbor's window facing this backyard, there is no problem with them, because they would be afraid that somebody can see what is going on, right? So that's in an enclosed backyard. So that then there is no. It's not considered to be Yichud, right? Because they're afraid that somebody would be able to see from the neighbor's left, right, in front. So that's not a problem. When somebody is another man in the house, that's like if it's closed backyard. So two men is going to be in some instances would be Yichud, right? In some cases, no. They say if they're men of stature, if they're Talmidei Chachamim, there is no problem. But if it's not Talmidei Chachamim, most likely there's a perversion that goes on in the world. So I mean, it's been going on for a long time. So it would be an issue, yes.
Rabbi,
you're welcome.
A friend says, what about if the backyard is very well covered from neighbors?
That's the issue then. Yeah, then it is Yichud. Right. So unless somebody comes in, can come in at any time, right? Neighbors, I don't know, like not neighbors, but people who live in the house. So his wife went shopping, or she's coming from work. Maybe she's going to come in 30 minutes. Maybe she's going to come stuck in traffic. Maybe, I don't know, maybe she's going to come sooner. So in this case, there is no problem, because they expect somebody to come at any time. So it's not going to be Yichud. That's the thing. If they are afraid to be seen, there is so somebody can walk in on them. So that's not a problem then.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.